Level up your printer. When you buy a printer from the new Colorado M Series, you're not just buying a single printer, but one built to last, with the power to change into something bigger and more powerful as and when you require it to. Because the Colorado M Series is built around a modular system, an entry-level M3 can become an M3W, an M5 or an M5W via a simple upgrade. And, should you want, be transformed into the high-volume UV gel print factory or UV gel wallpaper factory. So, when your business grows, your Colorado M Series grows with you. Thanks to its modular concept, any Colorado M Series printer can be upgraded to print white ink, enabling up to 5-layer print modes. For ease of use and stock management, all or some of the 0.7-litre ink bottles can be replaced by larger 1-litre bottles for the M5 and the M5W. Canon's unique Flex Finish Plus can also be added, taking your printer to another level, allowing you to print matte or a combination of gloss and matte in one print. And you can go even further, upgrading to print double-sided, print side-in, or straight onto magnetic media. Or, when you have a spike in your business, take full advantage with a speed boost. Perhaps the best feature of all is that to level up your game, most upgrades can be done remotely without the need for a service visit. The Colorado M Series. Level up your game.